Welcome. In this quick and updated guide, I'll show you how to report a server in Discord step by step. Whether you've come across a rule-breaking community or something that just doesn't seem right, reporting it properly helps keep Discord safe for everyone. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use for the report. Once Discord is open, go ahead and open the server you want to report. At the top of the screen, you'll see the server's name. Tap on it. This will open a menu with several options related to the server's settings and information. Now scroll down through the list until you find the option that says Report Server. Tap on it. Discord may ask you for a few details about why you're reporting the server. It's important to choose the reason that best fits your concern, for example, harassment, spam, or inappropriate content. Providing accurate information helps the moderation team review your report more efficiently. Once you've selected your reason and filled out any required details, confirm your actions. Double-check that you're submitting the report to the right place, then tap to confirm. After that, your report will be sent directly to Discord's Trust and Safety team for review. That's